Keep your eyes wide open all the time, counting down every second, every evening. If you blink, it'll vanish out of sight, out of mind. If you ever let it go, steady breathe, feel your body.
Sabi ko parang ikaw yung tatay ko eh.
Eh, ako nga maghahatid sa'yo, mama. Alam na ba ng mama mo?
Dalawa kayo.
Ha? Tapos tatakbo ulit ako pag mag-aabang ka rin sa amin.
Siyempre si Agatha.
Wow! Thank you! Salamat.
Yes, man. Oh.
Salamat, Chubby!
Wow! You always make time for me even though you're so busy with a busy schedule. I love you for that and see you later.
Wow!
Bakit ang laki?
Meron pa ata eh.
Humina kami. Wow! Thank you. Thank you for everything.
Bigyan mo na uli ako na isa pa po. May pangalan na yon. Pinangalanan na yon.
Okay na. Love you.
Sana'y maligaya ka.
The days finally come. All these preparations, all these decisions, all this journey of coming to this stage of your life has finally come.
Lord, ito na ba siya? Kasi, like what I've said to you before na, I've been single for a long time na to the point nawalan na ako ng pag-asa. Seeing a lot of my relatives and friends getting married, while for me, it's a different story. But the Lord gave me you, and I thank Him, and I promise Him na mamahalin ko kung sino man yung ibibigay niya at ihaharap ko siya sa altar. Why do I have to waste what has God given me? Now I truly believe that there is someone who's destined to be mine.
Thank you for making me the happiest bride as I am today. Dahil di ko talaga ina-expect na aabot tayo dito. You have proven to me that your love is pure and genuine.
So there is a quality of loving. It's not about quantity of loving. Remember? It's not how many you love. It's how you actually love the person.
Evangeline, wear this ring as a sign of my love and fidelity. In the name of the Father, and the Son, and the Holy Spirit.
Wear this ring as a sign of my love and fidelity. In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. You will forever be enough, Han. At kahit ulit-ulitin mo ng buhay ko, ikaw at ikaw pa rin yung pipiliin ko.
In saying yes to me, and I vowed to love you every single day of my life.
Nasa tamang tao ka. Mahal kita, John Emily, panghabang buhay.